How's it going, everyone? Sorry I ain't been on here that much. I'm going to try to get to where I upload a whole lot more recently. I've been away at Ultimate Callout Challenge this last week. While I was gone, looks like they've done some work on my dad's Chevelle. I'll turn the camera around here and see what they got going on. They're putting quarter skins on it, and they have one side just about done. I have some previous pictures of before any side was on. It was all cut out, so I'll put that in here. And today I'm gonna try to cut holes in the front end of my Chevelle for my bullhorn exhaust, and we'll see how that goes. Here's what they got going on so far. Pretty cool. I couldn't believe how far apart the car was cut to begin with. I have some previous pictures of it cut all out. We had to take the back interior out, remove all the inside door panels and stuff, and here's the back of it. Looks like the car was originally probably Marina blue from the factory. We got all this pretty much straightened all out. This was all filled in, and then I got it patched up in here. Real nice floor. And then here's the other side with nothing on it. They're starting to put the outer wheelhouse in, and we come to find out that they actually don't make the outer wheelhouses for convertibles, so we have to cut and make them ourselves. This should be a pretty cool car when it's done. Today on my car, I'm going to be drilling a 4.5 inch hole here for my bullhorns, and I have the trim ring set to how it's going to be on this side. I just have to get my measurements down from here and across the side to the center, match it exactly perfect on the other side, then mask it all off and tape it up. And take this 4.5 inch hole dozer, blade bit, whatever you want to call this thing, and drill into a factory GM fender, which is kind of upsetting, but I mean, I don't really know any other way to do it, so let's get to it. All right, guys, I have a hole preset already, and now I guess it's time to see if this works. Definitely not that comfortable with doing this, but I don't see much of a choice here, so I'm gonna get this bit started first of all, and then if I'm not comfortable with it, I'll just stop. Not a fan of this, I'll tell you that. Okay. Let's see here. Let's take our trim ring and hopefully it didn't mess it up too bad. See if our trim ring is going to hide all this. And it Looks like it's going to. And this is very nerve-wracking for me. Do not like doing this, but I guess I'm going to keep going. And it's a brand new bit, so break my wrist. Well, I can tell you, that was definitely sketchy. I'm gonna peel the tape off and after I deburr this and see how bad the damage is. Alright, well, here's the moment of truth. Peel this off and see if the trim ring's going to cover everything. Man, I really hope it does. This is very sketchy to do this, in my opinion. But we shall see. Hopefully didn't mess the paint up. We have a small chip here, and obviously I gotta clean it up still. This is just a really rough guess here. I'll take my trim ring, whatever I did with it. It's right here. Wipe off all the chalk marks. And moment of truth. Well, I don't think you'll be able to tell. I think it'll look really good. I'll knock that little bit down right there, and once this closes in, I don't think you'll be able to tell. Well, I'm a little shaky, but I feel a lot better now. So let's go ahead and do the other side. Alright guys, well I got the second one drilled, filed up. Let's go ahead and take the tape off and assess the damage here. Hopefully there is no damage. That'd be nice. I broke the first drill, had to switch to the second one, and I left a small paint chip here, which I mean is expected when you're using a hole saw bit, but hopefully soon I can take and get my exhaust finished and move on to the wiring, which is going to be the most difficult part for me, because I don't really understand the circuits or the relays and stuff like that. But hopefully my friend's a electrician, and hopefully he can explain it to me, and I will be able to get the show on the road here. Well, looks like it's cut pretty much perfect. Take and break it here and there, right here, and fold it under there, and put it together. Go ahead and get a little, I have factory paint I can, you know, dab on here, and that way there's no exposed metal. But that's pretty much all I got for tonight. I will take and set my bullhorn in here and see what we're looking like. I don't know exactly how I want to run them just yet. I was thinking something along the lines of like this, or maybe even out some more. I'm not quite sure. And then I did roll it in here like this. I think that looks kind of cool too. But just gonna have to get it set on the ground and see what looks the best in my opinion, and get it plumbed up, and hopefully soon I will get my tags from a Monte Carlo here, and we can do a couple videos on that. Pretty cool little car. Some content on this thing. Get some wheels, tires, tent put in it. Go cruise around, do some burnouts, do some cool videos. And then hopefully we can get this wrapped up soon too. I'd like to race it this year and see what this thing will do. But thanks for watching guys, and hopefully you stick around. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.